Launch another probe, pass the monitor through to the main viewer.
Probe is launched. On screen.
All right, next step. Lights. So what we have here, cheap China LED. But what's different about this is you get 5 of them. And they're, I don't know if they're charged. Oh yeah, they are, okay. Warm, so that's cool. Remote control, which I don't care about. But here's the more interesting thing. Those are these little metal, and they're magnetic. So what the thing is, I've had these lights before, and the problem is you have to run a cable into it. In this case, USB-C, and then you'd have to charge it. But this is what's unique about this. That's a docking station. So you could put 3 lights in there, charge them up with USB-C, and either use them as portable lights or just take them down and charge them as necessary. So this should be an interesting experiment. I'm gonna put 2 there and probably put 1 above the sink, and I'll have 2 that'll sit in the charger at all times, and then you can use it as an area light, or I could put it on the outside of the car. I wonder if it's infrared. Yeah, it's infrared, so you gotta aim it. So let's pull the tab. Can you turn the brightness up? Okay, let's see if it turns off. Okay, yeah, that's cool. Brightness. Come on. I don't see it getting brighter. Or maybe it's just really not that bright, but that's okay because I don't really need a ton of brightness here. Or they need to be charged. Ah, not bad. So we'll see how that works out. And I'll do a picture of what it looks like at nighttime. So this is what you get. These are the lights. You'll notice that there's a charging base, and you just drop them in, or you can charge them via USB-C. And the front and back slot are not charged, only the 3 in the middle. So what we're gonna do is these are, well, let's assume these are charged up. I'm gonna grab 4 of them inside and see how it works. Grab the remote. Open. Okay, there we go. Alright. So I highly recommend that you measure where you're going to put this, and then put the little sticker on, or a little metal plate, then peel off the blue sticker, which protects the plate. But let it sit for 24 hours because the weight could pull it off. So what do we do here? Just magnetically attach. I'm going to put these all in the same direction. Okay. Yeah. Oh, come on, why this magnet's not sticking as well? All right, let's try another one. Cheap China. Okay. Good enough. Let's put another one over the sink. Now these are motion lights, and they're also remote control or manual. Okay. And then we have, where the hell did the remote go? Yeah. Bingo. There's a remote. Alright, let's try, see if we get anything. Okay, we got one turned on. I guess you have to power it up first. That's good. Okay, good. Now, that's a pretty good amount of light. Ooh, I like the slow, soft dim. That's a nice touch. Let's try 50%. Let's do dim. Oh yeah, goes a lot dimmer. So when you're at late night. We also have one over the sink, which is not on yet. And not working yet. I haven't read the manual. I never read the manual. Alright, so you can turn this one up. Alright, so we got like a sleep mode. Alright, and let's turn them all off. Nice, they all turned off. Okay, nice. Turn it back on. So it's infrared. It has to be bouncing around to hit it. And it's also motion sensitive. Plus you can also do timers and stuff like that. So for the sink one, I guess we'll just leave it on motion sensor because when you're doing dishes and stuff, it'll turn on. Whereas the one through there, oh, I hit the button there. Boom. I don't know what those lights mean. I gotta read it. Okay, sleep mode. Yeah, I'm having a ball with this remote. Yeah, so yeah, this is not bad for, you know, what you pay. And consider that they have a drop-in charger, which I think is really, really useful. You don't have to worry about USB port breaking. Now, I did have one happen once before, where the USB port broke and then the light was completely useless. These aren't as bright as I'd like them to be, but for this application, I think it's fine. I don't know how well it's going to stay on. Yeah, that's the question. If I hit a bump, is this shit going to fly off? I don't know. But it does do a pretty decent amount of light here. And if I can figure out how to turn the motion sensor on, then yeah, they all seem to work. Alright, so stay tuned. This is the lighting portion of the Honda Element Camper. Still got a lot of other things to do. We got to do the sink. I'll go over the cable TV. Tomorrow will be air circulation, the fans, and powering all that. Stove, coffee maker, show you how to run all of that. A lot of things that still have to be done. So it's an ongoing project.